Hi there! Welcome to Module 2, Writing Tools. In this first lesson, we are going to cover 2 easy tips for writing excellent prose. 1. Use positive constructions. And 2. Choose great verbs.
Let's take a look at number 1, write using positive constructions. This tip is pretty straightforward. It means to always try to write sentences using positive language. Take a look. Example 1. He was not very often on time. There's nothing grammatically wrong with this sentence. But look what happens if we change it to a positive construction. Example 1. Positive. He usually arrived late. Switching from a negative statement to a positive one establishes a positive, more active tone. Usually uses fewer words and is therefore more direct. Let's take a look at some other examples. Number 1. Don't forget to tune the guitar. Better. Remember to tune the guitar. Number 2. He never remembered his music. Better. He always forgot his music.
Professor Francis says,
concise, direct writing creates more persuasive, compelling prose.
Now let's look at tip number 2. Choose great verbs.
Verbs perform the actions in our sentences. Verbs drive our writing and make it interesting. Always strive for the best, most active verbs. Try to avoid the following verbs: am, is, are, was, were, seems, being, become. Especially try to avoid the verb to be.
But why?
Simple. These verbs don't actually do anything. Called linking verbs, they simply link one part of the sentence to another part of the sentence.
Professor Francis says,
Aim for more active prose. Choose action verbs.
Let's look at some examples. I am a jazz musician.
Oh no, it's the verb to be. What about this instead?
I play jazz music. Here's another example. The work seems boring.
Oh no, it's the verb to be. What about this instead?
The boring work detracts from my... Here's another example. Technology is increasingly important in Pink Floyd's music.
Oh no, it's the verb to be. What about this instead?
Pink Floyd employs increasingly larger amounts of technology in later works. We'll discuss the verb to be more in the next lesson. For right now, it's time to practice what you've learned in this lesson.